Hello, beginning flute players. This is your video lesson number 2. Um, Make sure you have your flute. Make sure you have your Standard of Excellence Red Book handy because we're going to go through it some. But before we do anything else, let's just take out off the mouth pipe of our flute, set the rest of it down, and let's warm up just by blowing on the mouth pipe, see if we can get a real good tone. Here we go. Let's just blow a whole note, 4 counts. Ready, and now one reason why I wanted to do this, I wanted to work on tonguing separately today. Tonguing, remember that's when you put your tongue right behind your front teeth, kind of as if you were saying like a like a T sound. So what we're going to do now, blow like you're blowing a whole note and go like this. You'll definitely hear that little sound at the beginning. Gives it a definite start. Let's do that. Let's blow a whole note first. Ready? And now tongue 4 quarter notes. Ready? Okay, let's put our whole clarinet together. And we're going to do our warm-up like that today. We're going to start with a B flat. We're going to blow a whole note, then tongue 4 quarter notes. Then we'll go up to a C, play a whole note, tongue 4 quarter notes. Let's start first on a B flat. Are you ready? Here we go. Whole note, then 4 quarter notes. Ready? Play. 4 quarter notes. Try to keep your air going. Let's go to a C. Same thing. Ready? And quarter notes. Now go to the D. Ready? Play. 4 quarters. Add a pinky for E flat. Ready? And put your first finger down for F. Go to F here, bottom hand. Ready? Whole note. And tongue 4 quarter notes. Now go for the G. Remember, you have to put a little more air pressure to get that to stay up where you want it. Ready? Let's go for the G whole note. Tongue 4 quarter notes. Now let's go to the A. 2 fingers down low. Blow a whole note. Tongue 4 A's. And let's finish with a whole note B flat. Good, that was a good warm-up. Let's now please open up your lesson book. We're going to go back to page 8. I know that's back a good ways, but I think this one, number 22, it's called For Flutes Only. It's at the bottom of the page. Excellent exercise to continue with our warm-up. It wiggles back and forth between B flat to C, then B flat, C, B flat, then C, to switch to D, C, D, C, then D, add the pinky for E flat, D, E flat, D, and then write down your scale. F, E flat, D, C, B flat. Let's try this together. Ready? It goes half note, then quarter, quarter, half. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and C. D. Down the scale. Very nice. Okay, let's please turn to page 9. And this is where we have Merrily We Roll Along. You should be able to do this one just fine. Let's tongue each note. This is kind of a review. There is a repeat sign at the end. We're just going to play it through one time. Here we go. Ready? Merrily we roll along. Ready? And Let's continue, please, to page 9, which should be right next. And let's do, this is one of my favorite ones, one step at a time. This goes up parts of the scale and comes back down. Then starts a note higher, goes up a little bit, comes back down. Just a good exercise for technique. That is getting your fingers to move on the notes. Let's start at number 25. Starts on a B flat. Tongue each note. Ready? Play. Now start on C. Now start on D. And then right down to scale. Okay, very good warm up. Let's continue, please, to, let me see, page 14. We're going to do Skip It, Lou. I know this one most of you should be able to do just fine. This one, remember, has solo and tutti. How about, I'll play the first solo. Join in with me where it says tutti. You play the second solo, and then hopefully, if our timing's good, I'll be able to join in with you when it says tutti. Okay? Let's try that. I'll solo first. You be at the ready so that when we get to that C where it says tutti, you can join in. This is me. Ready? Join me. You play. And I join in. There you go. We did solo and tutti. Okay, let's please continue. We're going to go to the very back of the book. And I know we haven't done this before, but there are some really good exercises back here that kind of correlate to earlier pages in the book. I would like for you to please turn to page 39, way in the back of the book, number 39. And we are going to look at number 23A. Now this one goes up the scale and down, up the scale and down. A trickier part for you might be, because it doesn't go in order the notes, is the fifth measure of number 23A. Please count to the fifth measure of 23A. You will see, and I'd like you to do the notes with me, goes F, E flat, D, and then back up to F. When you go back up to F, make sure that you put this first finger down. A lot of kids forget that, and then it doesn't sound right. So remember, when you go D to F, that's what you need to do with the first finger. Do the fingerings with me, please. Show me a D, then go to an F. Let's play that measure. Goes F, E flat, D, F. Let's do that, please. Ready? And now there are slurs in this. If you would like to tongue, that is certainly all right. No problem. Now, look to the next to the last measure of this song, number 23A, the next to the last measure. It goes E flat, D, C, E flat. Let's do that with our fingers. E flat, D, C, E flat. Let's all try that together, please. Ready? And how'd you do? If you need to stop and pause, do it again. That's quite all right. Okay. Let's go to the very beginning and try the whole thing. How about we tongue each note? Because it's kind of hard to hold your breath for all that time. So tongue every note, starting on number 23A. It goes up and down the scale, kind of like that one step at a time, only a little bit more involved. Here we go, number 23A. 1, 2, ready, play. C, do. If you would like, you could pause the video and play through it again. Let's try something else. Let's go back, please, to page 14. See if we can find something else to do besides skip to my loo. How about we try, let me see here, Mexican Mountain Song. Mexican Mountain Song goes E flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, F, E flat, hold for 2, B flat, 2. Do that with me, please. Ready? E flat, E flat, B flat, E flat, F, first finger down, E flat, 2, B flat, 2. Notice that this song is 2 lines long. So when we get to the end of the first line, continue. And when you go to the G in the second measure of the second line, make sure that you have enough air. Keep that air pressure going so the G comes out real nice and clear. Let's try this from the beginning. Ready? Mexican Mountain Song. Ready? And. Next line. How'd you do? You might want to try this again on your own after the video. So there you go. That was lesson number 2 of a video lesson. Hope all of you are doing fine with your school. Hope you're all healthy and well. Until next time, keep playing, and it's nice seeing you again. Take care. Bye-bye.